I like getting a blowjob off the missus. I don't know if you get this. Well, I don't know if you get a blowjob off my missus. I don't know what your shoe buying budget is. A little glimpse into my world. But the thing I like about oral sex, I think the thing most men like about oral sex, nothing sexual, ladies, is actually the peace and quiet. Yeah, if you've ever been going down on a guy and he's gone, oh, that is not your technique. That is not his sexual ecstasy. That is the sound of a man not being asked a question.